I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get max level in the new Fortnite season. To start, prioritize completing your daily and weekly quests. These offer substantial experience points. For example, a weekly quest might grant you 50,000 XP. Also, keep an eye out for limited-time events and challenges, as they often provide bonus experience. Playing with friends is also a smart move, as you'll earn a party assist bonus on many quests, making leveling up much faster. To efficiently farm experience, consider landing in less contested areas of the map. This allows you to survive longer and gather resources without immediate conflict. Focus on opening supply drops and treasure chests, which provide quick experience boosts. Eliminating opponents and surviving into the late game also significantly increases your match placement experience. Aim for a top 10 finish to maximize these gains, potentially earning several thousand XP per match. Purchasing the Battle Pass is a fantastic way to unlock additional experience bonuses and exclusive challenges, accelerating your progress. Don't overlook creative mode either. Many community-made maps are specifically designed for active or even AFK experience farming, offering a steady stream of points. Furthermore, consistently completing milestones and accolades throughout your gameplay will provide smaller, but consistent, experience rewards, helping you climb those levels. For advanced leveling, always take advantage of supercharged XP periods when they become available, as they offer accelerated experience gains for a limited time. Consistency is key. Try to play at least a few matches daily to maintain your momentum and complete new quests. Finally, explore every corner of the map to discover hidden experience opportunities and interact with all game mechanics. This comprehensive approach will get you to max level.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.